Hi everyone, and welcome to Viajero. Today, we're going to be talking about the top 10 places to visit in Panama. Panama is a beautiful country with a lot to offer visitors. It has stunning beaches, lush rainforests, and a rich history and culture. The Panama Canal is one of the most iconic landmarks in the world. It's a 77-kilometer-long artificial waterway that connects the Atlantic Ocean to the Pacific Ocean. It's a must-see for any visitor to Panama. The canal was built between 1904 and 1914 by the United States. It was a massive undertaking that required the excavation of over 240 million cubic meters of earth and rock. The canal was officially opened on August 15, 1914, and has been in operation ever since. Today, the Panama Canal is one of the most popular tourist attractions in Panama. Visitors can take boat tours of the canal, visit the Miraflores Locks Visitor Center, or simply walk along the Miraflores Locks and watch the ships pass through. Casco Viejo is the historic center of Panama City. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is home to a variety of colonial buildings, churches, and museums. It's a great place to wander around and explore the city's history. Casco Viejo was founded in 1519 by the Spanish conquistador Pedrarias de Vila. It quickly became one of the most important cities in the Spanish Empire in the Americas. Casco Viejo was a major center for trade and commerce, and was home to a wealthy and cosmopolitan population. Isla San Blas is an archipelago of over 365 islands off the coast of Panama. It's a popular destination for snorkeling, diving, and sunbathing. It's also a great place to learn about the indigenous Guna people. The Guna people are an autonomous indigenous group who have lived on the San Blas Islands for centuries. They have their own language, culture, and traditions. The Guna people are known for their beautiful handicrafts, including their molas, which are colorful textiles made with intricate applique work. Isla Coiba is an island located off the coast of Panama. It's a former penal colony that is now a national park. It's a great place to go scuba diving, snorkeling, or fishing. Isla Coiba is home to a wide variety of marine life, including sharks, rays, and turtles. It's also home to a number of endemic species, including the Coiba agouti and the Coiba howler monkey. Visitors to Isla Coiba can go on a variety of guided tours, including scuba diving and snorkeling tours. There are also a number of hiking trails where visitors can explore the island on their own. Playa Blanca is a white sand beach located on the Caribbean coast of Panama. It's a popular destination for swimming, sunbathing, and surfing. It's a great place to relax and enjoy the beauty of Panama. Playa Blanca is located on the Isla Grande, which is part of the Bocas Del Toro archipelago. The beach is over 1 kilometer long and is lined with palm trees. The waters are crystal clear and the sand is white and soft. Parque Nacional Darien is a rainforest located on the border between Panama and Colombia. It's one of the most biodiverse places on Earth. It's a great place to go on a jungle hike or camping trip. Parque Nacional Darien is home to a wide variety of plants and animals, including over 700 species of birds and over 100 species of mammals. The park is also home to a number of endangered species, including the jaguar, the Baird's tapir, and the Central American tapir. Bocas del Toro is an archipelago of islands off the coast of Panama. It's known for its stunning beaches, lush rainforests, and vibrant nightlife. It's a great place to relax and enjoy the natural beauty of Panama. The main island of Bocas del Toro is Isla Coiba, which is home to the town of Bocas del Toro. This is the main tourist hub in the archipelago and is where most visitors stay. From here, visitors can take boat tours to other islands, go hiking in the rainforest, or simply relax on the beach. El Valle de Anton is a volcanic crater valley located in the central highlands of Panama. It's a popular destination for hiking, biking, and horseback riding. It's also a great place to escape the heat and humidity of the coast. The main town in El Valle de Anton is also called El Valle de Anton. This is where most visitors stay, and from where they can explore the valley's many attractions. Popular attractions include the El Valle de Anton Zoo, which is home to a variety of Panamanian animals, including harpy eagles, tapirs, and sloths. Other popular attractions in El Valle de Anton include the La India Dormida rock formation, which is said to resemble a sleeping woman, and the Chorro El Macho waterfall, which is a popular spot for swimming. Parque Nacional Soberania is a rainforest located on the eastern side of the Panama Canal. It's a popular destination for hiking, birdwatching, and wildlife viewing. It's a great place to experience the natural beauty of Panama. Parque Nacional Soberania is home to a wide variety of plants and animals, including over 500 species of birds. The park is also home to a number of endangered species, including the harpy eagle, the Baird's tapir, and the white-faced capuchin monkey. Parque Nacional Chagres is a rainforest located on the western side of the Panama Canal. It's home to a variety of wildlife, including monkeys, jaguars, and tapirs. It's a great place to go on a wildlife safari. Alright, that wraps up our exploration of the top 10 places to visit in Panama. We hope you enjoyed this journey through Panama's diverse landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture. If you found this video informative and inspiring, don't forget to hit that like button below. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences visiting these incredible destinations in Panama, please leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you and engage in some travel-related discussions. And most importantly, if you want to keep discovering amazing travel destinations around the world, make sure to subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell. We release new travel guides and adventure stories every week, and you won't want to miss out on the exciting content coming your way. Thanks for joining us on this virtual journey through Panama, and we can't wait to see you on our next adventure. So, until then, keep exploring, keep traveling, and keep living your viajero dreams.